Now you are audible. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Sarita. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing, Neetu?
I'm also doing well.
So, how's
And
your morning today?
yeah, morning was as usual. It
As
was good.
usual. Okay. So before we proceed, Neetu, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, actually, Sarita, as you know, my name is Neetu Vishwakarma. I am from Lucknow, UP.
Mm-hmm.
And I have done my post graduation in English literature. After that, I have done my B.Ed, and right after I jumped to the preparation, and I qualified so many exams like teaching exams, and now I'm preparing for the further exams.
That's great. That's so great. So you
And
are a
along with
scholar.
yeah, you can say along with this, I am running a YouTube channel also, like you.
I have seen your videos, Neetu. Yesterday, when I
Oh,
received your mail, I go through your so many YouTube videos. You are doing a great job. It's really appreciated.
oh, thank you very much.
Actually, Neetu, we have been motivated by you people only. Actually, I watched so many videos of the people who were conversing with each other. So from there only, I get this idea that okay, I can also start speaking English. I can also start something new in my life. So thank you so much.
Yeah,
You people are doing a great job. Thank you so much.
oh, thanks a lot for like divine like like,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
actually it happened. Yeah, and I also get motivation from other people also. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, definitely. You are these days we are like when we want to learn something new, we can get lots of ideas from like other people on YouTube. And yeah, such as like earlier people are what have complaining that they have a problem, no of partner, they do not have any partner to speak. But now see how many partners we have to discuss, and we have to like talk in English, to practice English.
Yes, yes.
So
Once the people start speaking English, they have fear in their mind that okay, we will not be able to speak so much fluently. We will be running out of the words. Then people can laugh at us. So now, once we speak to strangers, that hesitation never comes in our mind because we don't know each
yeah,
other. We don't know each other, so we don't have
yeah,
that fear in our mind that you are going to laugh at me or someone going to laugh at me. So whosoever has started this concept, I really appreciate that person.
yeah, really. So
Yes.
Sarita, I also want to know something about yourself. I have watched your like previous videos, like you have made a challenge video, English spoken challenge videos. I like that videos, and then after I watched uh, talking with people and like Clappingo. Have you also joined Clappingo?
I
Yeah.
have taken their 2 demo classes.
Okay. So yeah, I watched that also. So I like your videos, but I want you to please tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, sure, sure. As you know, I am Sarita and I am basically from Haryana.
Yeah.
And I did my graduation from Haryana itself. And nowadays, as you have seen my videos, I took a challenge that okay, this is the time that I should start something new. I should start learning English. So I took a challenge of 30 days. Okay, continuously I am going to make something in English, and then I am going to post it at my YouTube channel. So that YouTube channel I started just for me because I wanted to learn English.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
once
definitely.
people started appreciating that so much, then I get to know that idea that okay, we should start conversing with people now. So it's really a good
Yeah,
platform for enhancing our
yeah,
skills.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's a nice platform where you have learned so many things. Means you are getting good positive feedbacks and negative as well. So
Hmm.
you are like, preparing yourself for the in difficult situation. You are preparing yourself for the humiliation also, because in life also we are facing so many challenges. And yeah, and here we also learn something like see how a good comment makes our day. but
True.
how a bad comments feels us bad, low, and like, so if we are facing these comments and we are working on ourselves, then and we'll go in like real life, it will happen that we are ready for that things. We already happen. We already have so many humiliation in on YouTube and from other people.
True.
So we are ready for that thing.
Yeah, Neetu, but these haters play a great role in our life.
Yeah,
If,
that's
if
why
they
I'm
if they
telling
will not
you.
demotivate us, then how we will learn more? So we should say thanks to those people also who don't appreciate us, who always write something bad about us. We should appreciate them also.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
actually, yeah, I also have some comments. Like, I also got some comments. Like, you were like, you have to work on this like pronunciation, and this sentence you have made wrong, like uses. Then I get to know, yeah, it's I'm doing like wrong thing. I'm practicing wrong thing, and yeah, I thanks really I thank those person who are like figure out my mistakes on this platform also.
Yes, really, really. So it's very nice. Okay, so have you done with your breakfast?
Yeah, I had done that.
Oh, that's great. So what did you take today?
I take like gram tea,
Okay.
some biscuits, like yeah,
Okay. You also prefer light breakfast.
yeah, like,
Yeah, me too. I also prefer light breakfast.
yeah.
Yes. So
So,
how did sorry, I'm interrupting you. So how did this idea came in your mind that okay, I should start speaking English, or I should start posting my videos at the YouTube?
yeah, actually, Sarita, to be very honest, I started my learning English with Clapingo tutors. Uh, Actually, that time I have to face an interview, and really, I don't like. I was not able to speak a line at least. So I was very afraid like how I will face. Then I watched a video Clapingo video that I come to know about that app, and I joined it. Then I started my journey with them. But after 5 days, there was my interview. That does not work like that time. That was not working on me because within 5 days you can't be proficient, you can't like speak. But yeah, after that I realized that, how much important English is for me. Like I am an English literature student, so I must have some like knowledge of English spoken also. How will I face if in future any interview or any exam at least? So I, and after that I saw people are uploading videos, then I created the channel. But the purpose behind is it's something different. Like I want to inspire women, so like women who are at home, who want to learn something and they are hesitate to do something. So I want like, if you are making mistakes, see my previous videos, how much I was, how much time I, many time I stuck, how much mistake I did there, but yet I continued my journey. And see here I still am making mistakes, but you can see the improvement.
Yes.
So yeah, even you are a housewife, you are a housemaker, you are doing, you are mother of two. But yeah, if you have a desire to do something, you have a dedication for your work, so you can do everything. That's why I created this channel, and I want to connect people. I want to connect women. Like, I want to motivate them.
Yes, and really you are doing a great job. I have also inspired by the people like you only.
Yeah, he
Yes,
also like there are lots of videos on YouTube, but yeah, I really want women to do something from like, you are not only like being for makeup, for fashion, do something for your wisdom also.
yes,
It will
right.
help you to lead the life.
Yes. We women
Because
do a lot for the family, for the society, and everything. But we, when it comes to us, we don't have time for us. To be very frank.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah, to be
sometimes we
very
are
frank.
busy with our family, sometimes we are busy with our home chores, sometimes we are busy with our kids. So this
Yeah,
is the yes. So we should start something for ourselves also.
but yeah, Sarita, it's very true. women or many people are always complaining that I have no time. But yeah, if they will see the scenario, then they spend lots of time on social media, on mobile, on watching movies and all, and yet they are complaining that I do not have time. But if they will like summarize it, they will like overview of their whole days, what they are doing whole day, then they will come to know, yeah, how much I was spending my time to this work and this work.
Yes,
it
right.
is it is it, yeah. And I was also like earlier I also thought that how I will manage my studies, my speaking, my and my YouTube channel. But now see, I'm managing all those things, and yeah, definitely I am not able to watch movies and other thing. But yeah, it's like I'm something doing for myself
Yes,
at
true,
least.
true, true.
So I'm
Actually,
happy
as
with
you
my work.
said, yes, as you said that people are nowadays sitting on the YouTube watching movies, so they can learn from those movies, those YouTube videos also, if they want to learn. It's not like that
Yeah,
you
definitely.
and me and other people like us are always sitting on the YouTube. But what type of videos we watch? We generally watch our
Yeah,
English communication skill videos. So
yeah.
we should take out something from those videos also.
Definitely, yeah.
Yes,
It's
yes.
totally up to you, like how you want to utilize your time.
Very true, very true. Nowadays, I am getting so much time. Earlier, I used to think that okay, I think I'm not going to give enough time to my this communication journey. But nowadays, I have started taking time from my daily routine. Now, I communicate with people minimum 4 to 5 people in a day, because 15-minute
Really?
conversation gives us that strength, gives us that confidence.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
definitely.
this is very
Yeah.
true. It's very true. So,
But I
Needu,
really
how's the?
appreciate your effort.
Sorry. Come again,
Ac-
please.
yeah, Sarita, I really appreciate your effort. Like you, many humans like you, women like you, come out and they are like they started these type of things from doing from their house, and it's really appreciable, and people are will definitely get advantage of these videos and
Yes,
with our
yes.
conversation.
Very true. Yesterday and day before yesterday, I talked to two teachers, and they were very elder to us. They both of us are having children of age 25 or 26. Look, those ladies are also trying hard at this age. So those are such a motivational factor for us.
Yeah,
Look,
I do. Me too. I
hmm,
also talk to 2 or 3 person who are like older than us. Like, yeah,
hmm,
as you are saying, like 50 plus they are.
right,
But
right.
yeah, I really appreciate their enthusiasm, how much
Hmm,
they are passionate about learning, how much they have a courage to like come in and to speak with people on this platform. They
yes,
have no
yes.
hesitation. I really very much inspired by those people.
Exactly. Me too. Me too. I appreciated them a lot. And
Yeah.
after communicating with them, I felt that motivation inside me that okay, age never matters. It's all about
Yeah.
learning. You can start learning any point of your age time.
Yeah, definitely. Sarita, I want to like let you know something about once I read in current affair book, 93 years old lady like completed his fifth class, or like she was studying old, what to say, so older people are reading.
Hmm.
She has qualified his fifth class exams, and by giving exams, and she was the oldest lady, like first lady of doing these things in this
Look,
age. I really
95.
like I
95
was
is such a
inspired by
great number.
such a great in this age, in that age people are not thinking about these
Hmm.
things, and
Yes,
she did this. She proved that if you have a willpower you can do
yes,
everything.
yes,
Now
yes.
she is in current affairs book, like we sees how it's a no like age never
Matters. It never
restriction for
matters,
you to
really.
do something, to become better, to do
Hmm.
something in your life, to be famous. It never
Yes,
stop you.
exactly, exactly. So Neetu, what type of job you are looking for? You must be looking for any government job.
Yeah, definitely. I am looking for preparing for government job, but yeah, as you know, like scenario is not going good these days. Pandemic is going on, but if I'm working on my communication skill also, if I'll not get government job, then I'll definitely go in private sector.
Yeah.
I'm preparing for teaching
Yes.
exams.
Yes. Yes. That is about that. We should start from anywhere. We
Yeah,
can get government job
I
anytime
can't
once we
stop.
will keep on practicing and keep on working on our study.
Yeah, definitely. But why you want to like work on your communication? What, how you think about it that you should learn, you should come out and you should practice English also.
Yeah. So actually, as I have told in my all the videos that I am good in understanding English. Somehow I can that speak that tutti frutti English also.
Yeah.
But one day I got a call from the call center. Nowadays we got so many calls from the call center, but that day was special for me. I got a call from the call center, and that person was speaking in English. I was getting everything he was saying, but I was unable to communicate with him. So that incident hit me a lot. I thought that okay, I can understand English, I know English very well, but what is that thing that hindering me in speaking English? So that day only I thought that okay, now I will start speaking English. So like other people, many things came in my mind also, that people will going to laugh at me, what if I'll make mistakes. So these things came in my mind. Then I thought, no, this is the time that I should do something. Then I started watching YouTube videos. Then I came through so many videos, people conversing with each other. So those people motivated me a lot. And then this way I started my journey, and it's going good today. I'm experiencing a very good thing in my life. I'm very happy. And yes,
Yeah.
and this thing going to help me in future also. You never know, maybe I can start something new things in my life. Life gives us so many
Definitely.
opportunities, so we must get prepared for these things. So I think okay, I have done good studies, I am good in studies also. So I thought okay, English is an international language nowadays. Yes.
And there it is a skill also. You are like growing by learning the new skills in your life.
Yes.
Like you can learn anything, like you are learning a second language. It will definitely enhance your knowledge, your vocab, your skills, everything.
True. See, nowadays, if I talk about our Indian culture, we in India we speak so many languages. If I talk about South Indian people, they don't know Hindi. So what if we confront those people? Then we will be unable to speak with them. So English is a great medium of communication. So okay, in this like my initial phase, I am not very keen in vocabulary, to be very frank, because as everyone says that at beginning level we should start with small sentences. So nowadays I have not started the vocabulary thing. I have just started using the simple sentences. I just want to gain that confidence that I can speak to the people. So once I'll get that confidence, once I'll get that sentence making power, then I'll jump into the vocabulary well. Then okay, now
Definitely.
it's a ever learning process. See, there is always
Ever
a
learning
step
process.
ahead. It's always a step ahead.
Yeah.
There is always the next level.
Next level, definitely.
Yes,
You have to try
yes.
to achieve that level.
True,
Yeah,
true,
definitely.
true.
You are very true. First of all, we have to achieve like confidence. Then after we can do work on another field. Vocab
Yes.
is the like a secondary part of our like conversation. First of all, we have to overcome from our hesitation. And and to be frank, to speak anything anywhere. After that, we can polish our knowledge by anywhere every time.
See, this is nowadays. I come to a conclusion that this is we only who hinder us doing something. It was me only
Definitely.
who was hindering myself by not speaking English. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So we,
If
first of
you,
all, we should come out of our fear.
yeah. Initially, what happened? We are thinking, I'm also thinking from, I don't know, from this age to speak, but I never tried. It means no one told me like, don't speak in English, don't speak. But I stopped myself to speak English.
Yes.
Otherwise, nowadays, but when I like feel, I realize the importance of these things, and like I want to like, I was ready to like face people, humiliation, criticism. Then after I started my journey. Otherwise, if you will be in fear, then you never will speak anything.
Yes.
That fear stop you to doing anything, and it will not go if you will not speak.
Very true. Very true. We have to start from anywhere. We have to overcome that fear. Yes. So, how's the weather today in your city?
Yeah, the weather is hot, Sharita is here.
Okay,
Weather is
it's hot today. Okay. And how's the COVID situation?
I thought the situation is good, better now. But when watching, after watching news, I didn't conclude. I do not conclude it like it's better, because situation is as same as earlier.
Yes.
It is constant,
Even
and but yeah,
it's
what
going
happened?
worse.
Yeah, but earlier, before like 15 days, people are in very much fear. But now I can see people are like, I don't know what, why people
Yes.
decided themselves. They decide them like by themselves. Like, yeah, situation is better now, and they are now moving here, moving outside.
Yes. People
Yeah,
have
that's why
started
the
taking
people.
corona. People have started taking corona as for granted. Now they have started roaming around and going for the shopping and watching movies if the picture holes are starting. So yes.
Yeah, that's it. Everyone should understand that this situation is not created by anyone else. It's created by yourself. In you are in difficult situation, you are in hospital, you are facing the oxygen problem. It is because of you only. You have not
Yes.
followed the protocols. You have not uh, adopted the corona appropriate behaviors. That's why you are facing this problem.
True. People are not ready to cooperate with the government and with the lockdown as well. They're not
Yeah,
ready.
definitely. And they are not harming like other also, they as they are harming themselves also.
True.
But yeah, if they will harm themselves, it's okay. But by this way, they are harming
Yes.
others also.
Yes.
They should careful about the families. They like what to say. But yeah, there are some reason that might they are like forced to go outside. Sometime it happens.
Yes. No, people should understand the responsibility. If they are not responsible for the society, then at least should be responsible for their families.
Definitely.
Yes. If you are not loving the society, you at least love your family.
Yeah.
So for the sake of family, at least they should understand the criticality of this COVID situation. But people are not getting it. People are not getting
Yeah.
it. So, Neetu,
People are not
anything else you wanna ask, or we will call it for the day?
Yeah, definitely. We'll actually we will talk discuss in next session. As
Yes.
it's enough for today. I think so. You have also some
Daily
work
chores.
also.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's very nice talking to you. Thank you so much. You people
You
are doing
too.
a great job, and you people are motivating a lot. So
Oh,
thank you
thank you
so much,
very much,
Neetu.
Sarita.
Yes.
You are doing as well. So, Sarita, thanks for like giving your precious time to me and talking with
Same
me.
here, Neetu. Same
Yeah, I
here. So
appreciate your job.
thank you so much. Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye.